They say one man's trash is another man's treasure. Well, meet Stomp. They transform rubbish into instruments.
It's a conglomeration of music, movement, and drama, like theatre. Like, there's no speaking, but it's funny. It's actually really a funny show, and people don't expect that.
He's bang on. Stomp has been making a lot of noise over the last 26 years. Their unique sound has resonated with audiences around the world. That's 12 million people in 55 countries across 6 continents.
We have a 6 to 8 week rehearsal period in the UK, and it's all they show you and you repeat. You show you and repeat, and you learn every part of the show hit by hit, clap by clap, stomp by stomp. So there's nothing written down.
Stomp was an instant hit in the early 90s, and Samoan performer Ian Vincent quickly plunged into Stomp world while studying dance in Wellington 11 years ago.
Music is such a big part of my life. My mother plays drums, my sister plays drums. I found out my great-granddad was a saxophonist. You know, I think it just is in my blood, and I think if you really like something and you really enjoy it, nothing is work.
The boy from Te Awamutu drummed up support from his family and has been stomping around the world ever since.
A lot of us get noticed for playing rugby or sports, and that's amazing. But there's also, I think, a little bit of lost focus on people who don't do sports. I mean, I played sport growing up too, but I think it's nice to put focus on the arts, you know, music, dance, drama.
The next stop is taking the award-winning show to the Pacific. But for now, we're sticking to basics. So if I said to you, walk into the kitchen and play some music, you'll just play with what's around you?
Probably. You'd probably tell me to shut up.
I suffer from the same problem.
Like, we're really annoying at restaurants.
Yeah.
You know.
So next time you see junk, it could be an opportunity to tap into your inner drummer.